In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Gemini to Canva. So first, just go and open your Canva account, make sure that you're logged in. The same will be for Gemini. And make sure that you're logged in here again with your Google account. So from here, you'd like to go to the bottom left and click on settings. Once you click on settings, click on personal intelligence. And here you'll find connected apps. Open this connected apps, and here you'll find the Google Workspace where you find Gmail and everything else. And if you scroll down, you'll find, as you can see, your search services and everything else. And if you keep scrolling, you'll find other, this Canva option. So all you need to do is just go and turn this on. And as you can see, to use Canva, you'll have to allow Gemini to share your informations. Click on allow. And once you do so, you will find this link and account so you control Canva on any device. Click on continue. Here, click on agree and continue. And basically here, they will tell you to log in into your Canva account if you're not logged in yet. If you are logged in like me right here, you'll just have to allow the access. Click on allow and you'll find authorization successful. Once you do so, now you are successfully connected to Canva, as you can see from here. You can go back and use chat or Gemini with Canva. So once basically connected, Canva AI capabilities are embedded right now into your chat. And you can try, as example, a lot of some powerful workflows like create a design from a prompt, make Gemini images editable, and manage assets and brand kits from Gemini. And you can edit them also inside Canva. So yeah, that would be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.